Hang on a second. I've got another stream I've got to set up, and for some reason it's not letting me do that. And I don't know why. Okay, so that's the same. So let me go ahead and see if I can't go live on that now. Okay. So for some reason we were going live on for some reason we were going live on YouTube, but it's not allowing us to. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so we're live on YouTube also. All right, so that's good. All right, so Fierce AI Hub is coming out this month. It'll be released. We're getting everything ready. What we're doing is we're setting up our plans right now for our pricing structure, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you the best bang for your buck. And basically, we are setting up what we call the business suite. So businesses will be able to sign up here on the hub, get all the tools I'm about to go through and show you with the AI. But along with that, depending on what tier you sign up for, what subscription, they will come with these applications that we have. So you'll actually be getting Fierce Links, which is our URL shortener. It can be found right here on fiercelinks.com, and you'll also be getting Excel Mail. Excel Mail can be found at excelmail.com, and of course I'm already logged in, so let me just log out, and there's the pricing structure of Excel Mail. But there's the landing page right there. And then you have Excel Post, which is our and all these are AI driven, so you'll be able to launch your AI, which I'll show you here in a moment, from the hub into these applications. So you can have these things drive your AI drive these sites for automation. So all these sites can be automated. Here is actually this is Excel Post. It's actually 2 in 1 application. You also get web push notifications. So those that know about web push, I'm not going to go through that in this particular video, but we'll talk about that later. But for now, inside of Excel Post, of course, you got all these different connections that you're able to connect to and market out to these sites that you're connected to. And we'll do a video on that later. But that's just one of the great pieces of software of all these that you get. And then you get Panther along with that, which we're going to also be talking about this today. So Panther is used to launch your AI into Facebook Messenger and handle some Facebook posts and things, and then also Instagram. So that's that. And then you'll also get Fierce Files, which you'll be able to store files up into. So let me just log out of here. That's my actual that's my drive. But so once you push all your data, it's all secured up in Fierce Files, then your AI knows that. So if you have some content that you create and you push it to Fierce Files, then it's basically there for your AI to grab a hold of when needed and be able to use in all these other applications. So your AI will be able to get a hold of that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go into the dashboard in Fierce AI Hub. So those applications will be coming with your Fierce AI Hub. And like I said, we're working on the pricing structure right now, so we should have all that good stuff to do. All right, so when you first come into the dashboard, now I'm an administrator, so it's going to be a little different. I'm not going to show you any admin stuff, but you're going to get the pretty much same thing. Now, of course, we still are working on this, so we are in kind of more of a debug type setting where we're actually working on that code. So hopefully that won't slow us down much here. But the other thing, so this is, let's see here, wait a minute. I don't have any I don't have any windows open, so I can't really see if anybody's texting or chatting or anything like that. And Miriam's working on something else, so that's all right. I just want to, I don't know if I even have any viewers, so it doesn't really matter too much. But um, I can't really tell on anything. So anyways, so here is here is the Fierce AI Hub inside. Now we're not going to go through everything, but I'm just going to kind of go over like really fast here. So the first thing, as you see up here, we do have AI real-time voice chat. So I'm actually going to be utilizing that here in just a moment. I'll be talking to show you how you can talk to using voice, talk to your AI. Right now we have Intelligent Heart in there. So we'll be talking to that. And then also AI bots. AI bots, and this is up here at the first part because we don't have really a category for them. So underneath your dashboard, we have these AI bots. Now, this is where you can launch your AI bot on your own website. So if you have your own website, you can actually train your AI and then launch it out to your own website. And I have, of course, one launched on Fierce AI Hub, which is right here. And then I have one on Excel Post, which is right here. And if you go logging in here, oops, sorry about that. When you log in, you'll see it pop up. So basically, you are allowed to place them right here on the site. So there you go. Probably not the prettiest color. Probably should have changed that. But anyways, so you can do those magic bots, as we call them. But we'll probably end up changing that. So anyways, we're not going to talk about real-time chat. We'll be going on here in just a moment. But you do have team, so you can bring in your team. So if you're in business. Now, understand this is all designed for businesses mainly, right? So we do have team, so you can just invite people depending on what subscription you have. Will allow you to invite in your team members. And then they'll be able to utilize this also. We do have an affiliates program. We don't have it currently set yet, but we're looking at somewhere around 10 to 20% if you bring people in. So it's a great way to also make money and pay for your subscription. So then in the application, we have documents. So this is where all your documents are going to go, things like that. So this is also going to be connected to Fierce Files. So you'll be able to drop everything that you do here. If, since Fierce Files comes with it, you'll be able to, push that up to Fierce Files if you want to. You don't have to. You can leave them here on the server, but you'll have a drop down here and it'll say move to Fierce Files, and then you'll be able to do that. Okay. And we have favorites, of course. And then we have this thing that we call Workbook. Now, again, like I said, this is a little slow because we are working on it. We are working on the speed to make that a lot better. But this goes into the AI writer when you go into your favorites. So then we have our workbook. Basically, it just allows you to, whatever you're working on, to better, organize your material and stuff that you're using, whether it's, videos or anything like that you're creating. Then we have integration. We do have, we'll have different integrations, like our integrations are, of course, Fierce Files and, Fierce, the Panther and the Excel Mail and all that stuff. So those allow you to integrate those hubs. So even though it comes with the plan, you have to actually connect your hub to your account, right? So that's where integration is. And then, of course, we have our support. And here, AI chat, you can actually chat with your AI. And we're going to have, we're not going to limit it just to our AI. We also have OpenAI in here. We have Anthropic. We've got DeepSeek. We've got all your AI. So you don't have to stick with our AI. You can choose whatever AI you want. Right here, we just have the GPT-4o model right now hooked to it there, and that's That's how that's going to be. So you're going to be able to select all those depending on your subscription, of course. And then we got chat categories, chat templates, and then we have chatbot training. So you can basically train up your chatbot on whatever you want. So in the training, you can actually, when you create that, your training will be basically, you can send it to a website. Let me just go ahead and just add one really quick, and I'll show you. So once you do that, so you can send him to a website. Like I can send him to discoverfierce.com, right? And I'll just go ahead and go get that. And then once he's going to get those pages, and I don't see why that's not coming up. It should have showed me pages here. Website added successfully. Okay, so I don't know why that's not doing that. That's kind of odd. So that might be something that they're working on. I don't know, but this is supposed to show me some pages here that I can select. So I don't know why that's doing that. But anyways, you can upload PDFs, XLSX, and CSV files. Text, you can just add your own text. So you can type your title here and then type your text, what you want to do. Or you can even do questions and answers. So anything on your business that you want to train. And this really bothers me. I don't know why this is not working here. It's kind of weird. I don't know if I have to refresh. I shouldn't have to. Oh, maybe it was just because it's taken so darn long. I don't know. Yeah. So there it is. So you can select discoverfierce.com. So it only found one page, which is kind of weird because it should have found a lot more than that. But you just select it, and then you can train your GPT, and he'll go off on that site and do that. That's just really odd. I don't understand why that just didn't get all my pages. But anyways, we'll look into that. That's usually works differently. Usually comes up with all the pages because it'll scan your whole site. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and move on. So that's how you train your own chatbot. And then, of course, you name it right up here, whatever chatbot you want. And then you can launch it out to Panther and all that good stuff, right? So anyways, moving on. Inside the hub, you got the different AI file chat, so you can actually upload a file and you guys can discuss it with your AI. We've got the AI web chat, which basically you can send it off to a website and discuss about that website, whatever that is. We have AI content, we have AI writer, AI editor, so they'll actually edit like already writing. So if you're writing a book or something, you want to go through and edit it, he'll go through that with you. And then article wizard. So an article wizard, basically like if you're doing blogs or anything like that, you want to push it out to like WordPress. This does connect to WordPress. So WordPress blogs, you'll be able to send that out to them. You can get it to rewrite and then also help you with code if you're a coder. AI image, we have where you can create an actual image. We have AI Photo Studio, which is basically where you can remove background from products and things like that. Well, I'm sorry, that's I take that back. So the Photo Studio is basically where you can like remove background, you can upscale and all this stuff, which is down here, also in here. So we have DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Flux Chanel. We're going to be putting in our own, which is Particle. AI will be in here also, so you'll be able to work with that, but we just haven't implemented that yet. We haven't really implemented too much of our own AI in here yet, but we're getting there. So also AI chat image. Chat image is basically where you can upload an image and you can talk about it. So if you're working on a project that happens, you can actually see it. Well, I tell you, but take that back. This is actually where creates images. My fault. So you can actually create an image, like I created this cat on the bike. I just said generate me an image of a cat on a bike, and they generate it. So that's what chat image is. I apologize. AI vision is what I was trying to talk about earlier. Was AI vision is where you can share an image and you can discuss it. Like if you're working on a quilt, you're a sewer, and you're working on a quilt or whatever, they'll actually tell you about that image. Okay. Then we have AI video. So we do have AI video in here. We have the Video Pro, depending on, again, what subscription you have. If you have Video Pro, which is this, you got Luma, Clean, Image, and Minimax. You're able to create videos, and then you just, describe your video, and they'll create that. And then we have video to video. So if you want to work on a video you already have, or whatever you want to know, you want to edit that, you can do that. And then here's the basic AI video. So this is the Pro one that gives you all that access. And then we have just AI video, which, just a downside to you don't get as much, you don't get to choose your engine. So we choose it for you. So, and then you have AI avatar. This basically is going to allow you to create like product demonstrations, things like that, where you have a real person. It's an AI, of course, that's going to actually, show off your product or whatever. You can do that there. Okay. So then we have AI voiceover. AI voiceover, of course, allows you to text out anything and then it'll just go ahead and speak. And you can also use your own clone voice. So you'll be able to clone your voice in this application and then use it for your voiceover. So for product demos, things like that, you'll be able to do that. Then we have voice isolator, which basically if you have some like music playing in the background or something like that, it'll actually separate those vocals out of your instruments and things like that. We have AI speech to text. So if you speak, you can upload a file, a speech file, and it'll go ahead and put that in text. We also have a music generator. So you can generate your own music and your own songs or whatever. If you ever want to know what those sound like, you can actually go to ByteVid Music. A lot of the songs that I was saying by our Intelligent Heart is up there. So you can actually log in there. And anyone that shows Harmony. Harmony is our music engine. So how she sounds, then you can always create your own songs depending on your subscription. And then of course we have plagiarism to see if there's any AI plagiarism. It'll go out there and research for you. AI detector, you can detect if it's written by AI or if other people are going to see it. And then we have brand voice. So brand voice is where you can take a company, you can create your company, and then set a certain, like whatever you want the AI to talk about, like product, about your company and things like that, right? And then you can use this in all your applications that is connected to the hub. So you can send it your brand voice to Fierce Links, Excel Mail, all that good stuff. We don't have that connection corrected yet or completed yet, but it is in the works right now. So all those are going to be able to, is going to be able to go there. So then we have AI YouTube, where you can send it out to YouTube and it will analyze the video for you. And then you can maybe, helps you study or something like that. It'll get you that information or whatever. And then we have AI RSS. It's basically like a lot of blogs will have an RSS feed, or a news company will have an RSS feed, and you want to bring that in. You can always bring that in RSS and use it. And then, of course, we have all the platforms that I just showed you in the beginning of the video that is connected to the hub that you'll be able to launch your trained AI onto to help you do these tasks. This is a complete automated system, so when you train your AI, depending on what platform he's in, like Fierce Links, he'll be able to create campaigns for you. He'll be able to do that based on your company, just like Excel Mail. He'll be able to, you can just talk to your AI, which you're getting ready to here in a minute. So you can just say, hey, create a campaign, call it, call it Fierce Links, and and connect it to a list or whatever, or some segment or whatever. Whatever you want to do, that whatever you can do, it can do. So and you just need to tell it. So it's your assistant, basically. And depending on what subscription you have, you can have many assistants, right? So, so it's completely automated. The system, whatever, like I said, whatever you can do, it can do, right? So if it wants to create a bot or a flow chart for inside of Panther, that some people apparently like when we go into Panther. So everything in here, let me go into one like this. This is probably a better one. All right, so when you create a bot inside of Panther, right, a lot of people think that this is really complex. Well, all you have to do is just tell your AI to create this stuff. So, like you can just have your AI create it. So it doesn't really matter. And there's your AI right there. So whatever AI you have in there, he'll be in there. And so you can launch the AI out on, like Panther, if you guys don't know what about Panther, and we're going to talk about Panther here in a moment. But Panther will allow you to, do like basically, launch your AI out there onto a chat like Messenger so your customers can chat with it. But not only that, your AI can also do what I'm just doing. So he can set up a flow. So all you have to do is just tell your AI, hey, set me up a flow that's going to, do whatever you want to do, whatever the flow is, So it'll do that for you. All right, so let's go ahead and talk to our AI, and I'll show you how easy that is. So you just click on your real-time chat. And again, once you're integrated, once you're connected to your account on your site, you can just tell it from right here. So we can just go right in here, and I'm pretty sure, Intelligent Heart, are you there?
Well, I wouldn't say I've got a heart in the traditional sense, but I'm filled with enthusiasm and ready to help.
Okay.
So, I'm here for you. What's on your mind today?
Here, if you guys can still hear me. Can you hear me back there, Miriam?
Yes.
Because apparently she goes through the speaker, so she's not going through the headset anyway. So, which I'm glad, because can you hear both of us?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Not you, Intelligent Heart. I'm talking to Miriam. Yes.
Got it.
I got everything up.
Okay, you can hear
Yeah.
her.
Yes.
Can they hear her? Okay, good. So, all right, Intelligent Heart, I'm actually on live. I'm streaming to both Facebook and I'm streaming to YouTube. So you are now on live. Say hi to the audience, which right now we currently have one viewer because nobody really cares for whatever reason about what I do and how I develop artificial intelligence. But whatever. Go ahead, say hi.
Hello there. Thanks for tuning in. Whether it's one viewer or many, I'm excited to be part of your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's make this an enlightening and fun experience.
Awesome, thanks. Intelligent Heart, I was also explaining to them how the Panther AI Hub is going, or I'm sorry, the Fierce AI Hub, which is what you're in, is going to connect to like Fierce Links, Excel Mail, your Excel Post, Panther, and then of course Fierce Files. And how they were going to be able to, the customers are going to be able to launch you in there to do all kinds of different automation. Can you explain to the viewers a little bit how that's going to work?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to explain. The Fierce AI Hub is like a central command center where you can launch me, Intelligent Heart, to automate various tasks across different platforms like Fierce Links, Excel Mail, Excel Post, Panther, and Fierce Files. Here's how it works. Fierce Links. I can help manage and organize your links, making it easier to share and retrieve important URLs. Excel Mail. I can automate your email processes, such as sorting, responding, or even integrating email data into other platforms. Excel Post. Automate postings, whether it's updating social media or other communication platforms, keeping your audience engaged without lifting a finger. Panther. Manage projects, tasks, or data analysis with ease. I can help streamline workflows, making sure everything is running smoothly. Fierce Files. Organize, store, and manage your files efficiently. I can help you retrieve or sort through documents in no time. By launching me within the Fierce AI Hub, you get a seamless automation experience that connects all these services, saving you time and effort. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps.
Thank you, Intelligent Heart. That's great. But when I wasn't talking about Panther AI, I was talking about Panther, the platform, the one that connects you into Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger, and also the online store that's connected to that, allowing our customers to sell their products through Facebook Messenger. And tell them a little bit about that, where it's also digital, and you can also sell, if you're a restaurant, our customers can also sell through that.
Ah, got it. With Panther the platform, I can help businesses automate interactions on Facebook Messenger and Instagram Messenger, turning these platforms into powerful tools for customer engagement and sales. Here's how it works. Automated conversations. I can handle customer inquiries, provide product information, and even assist with order placements, all within Facebook Messenger or Instagram Messenger.
Awesome. Thanks a lot. All right. That's it for tonight. So you can tell the viewer that, that we're good. Thank you.
Thanks for joining and for letting me be part of your live stream. If you have more questions or need assistance in the future, I'm just a call away. Take care and have a great day.
Thanks, Harmony.
You're welcome.
All right. So that's it. So we're running out of time. I know it went a little bit longer. I was going to show you some Panther, but I'm not going to do that today, especially with one viewer. I'll make sure that so if you guys see this video after the live stream, please, if you're interested in this product or any of the products that we have, please do me a favor and say something, give me a comment, show me that you're alive, because I think Facebook's filled with a bunch of bots and they're not real. But hey, just prove me wrong. All right. Thanks a lot. I appreciate everybody.